Hi everybody, welcome back. Look at this beautiful bee. Let's make it. We are going to make it using a balloon. So take a yellow balloon and we are going to put a pebble inside like this, and we are going to secure it using rubber band, or you can also use a thread instead of this. Now we are going to blow the balloon like this, and look, it is ready. After that, tie the knot at the top, and then we are going to add more details, like we are pasting two black strips on it, paste its eyes, and then we are going to paste the antennas and wings of the bee, and look, it is ready. Look at these different fruits, identify them and name them in the comment section below. So let's make it. So take a tissue paper and fold it. After that, we are going to cut it in a triangular shape. Now we are going to color them. We are doing yellow color, and look, it is ready. After that, open it and look, your fruit is ready. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like and share with your friends.